Alright, this is how you replace your cartridge shower handle broken. So I got already the old one. I've been taking it out from here, right there. So this one is not working anymore. So I just stopped the hot and cold water. Before it continuously the water came out on that one, because this one you're not able to shut off because it's not operating anymore and it's already broken. So I take it out. Before you take out this one, you have to shut off the hot and cold water, because if not, this one, the high pressure, it will go to your body or break the sliding door glass if you're not able to shut off this bulb right there. So make sure before you taking this out. Sometimes it's easy to take it out, sometimes it's hard to take it out. So right now we're gonna put a new one. So I got a new one here, and this one, the pin, it go right here on that area right there. So you need the pliers, a long nose, screwdriver, plug, and W40, and all the parts right here. Before I put this one, I'm gonna put some little bit of W40 spray on the side, and also right here I'm gonna put a little bit more there. Just too easy to install on that one. So this one have a little bit trick, so you have to be like really careful. So I'm gonna put this back in. You see there's a hot and cold right always on the top, and just push down a little by little, that one, and then you have to push this one all the way to the bottom right there. Press it really hard. All the way there. There you go. Sometimes it's hard. There you go. You have to be quick. There's a pressure right there. So the pin goes right here, right there, and that one gonna be secured. Now, there you go. That is already secured. All right, and now that one is already available. So now you want to know that all in the store. So I'm gonna put this one and this one over here. I'm gonna put right here to test it, and I'm gonna twist right here, turn on for cold water. I'm going to on the cold water. That's cold water right there. That's the cold water. Okay. Now there's also the hot water. Water came up there. So I'm gonna try to fix it. So that is hot, and need more pressure. That's hot. A little bit more. Okay, get more pressure to the phone. Right there. Okay. Right now, that's hot. Yeah, I'm gonna shut up. So there's no more water. So everything good. If I turn on, that is cold. That is cold. Right there. And then when I turn up all the way here, it's gonna be hot. There you go. That's hot. I'm gonna turn it up again, and that's it. Good to go. And then bring back all the cartridge here.